Hello, guys, and today we are going to be opening the love letter I just got from the Dogga house event that happened just like a minute or so ago, at least at the time of recording. And so let's see what's inside. I heard some people say uh, it's maybe a sword or something, so let's try it out. And yes, before I opened it, yes, I checked before I started recording. You cannot trade it, so let's redeem it. And I get. Ah, what is that? Interesting. Wait, is it like a background of sorts? Um, hmm. Seems that my profile showcased for some reason isn't working. So, ah, now I got the doghouse background, I suppose. So sadly didn't get the grand prize or the dog blade, but sure, why not? So yeah, that's it. Wait. Oh, don't try to open UI screens while in first person. It always fails, but thankfully there is a fix around it via the UI navigator, which is one button below the uh, delete button. I think it's called. So yeah, bye. And if you want me to do more blox videos, please say so. And by the way, is anyone willing to offer me anything for my Yeti, T Rex, and Lightning? I need to get a Butterfruits. So yeah,